Hello guys, so I got this PR package from this amazing brand that I absolutely love and it's my favorite. Okay, so Garnier sent me this. They sent me these little pads. There are 3 pads. Micellar water. And this super cute bag. So just look at this. Isn't it so cute? So I've tried before the pink one, but I've never tried this blue one. It's supposedly water. It takes off a waterproof mascara, which I have on right now, and I have this brow gel. So hopefully it helps. If you guys didn't know, Garnier sells skincare products, hair products, which I love. I love the hair conditioner and the hair cream, hair oil. I mean. So yeah, they are cruelty free. They are vegan. I think they use 100% recycled plastic, so nothing goes to waste. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so these are the little pads, white and pink, and we're gonna just put a little bit. We're just gonna put a little bit. I've seen so many videos of people trying this out, and I wanted to try too. So here we have it, and now supposedly you don't have to like scrub or anything. You just take it off. This lipstick supposedly lasts 24 plus hours. I have a lot of concealer. So I wanted to try that out. Let me take off the brow gel. Oh my god. Oh, it's coming off. This brow gel is so hard to take off. Like, I'm not even joking. Can you tell the difference? Let me put some more and take off the mascara. Oh wow. Oh my god. It took off everything. I have this waterproof mascara that lasts so long. I can't even take it off with wipes. What? Just look at this. You guys see this? Okay, now let's go with the lipstick. Okay. This has to be some sort of magic. What is this? Oh my goodness. You guys see this? You guys definitely need to try this. Oh my god. I didn't have a lot of makeup, but the amount that I had, you can like literally tell I had makeup. Look at this. It is not oily at all. It's for all types of skin. It's for all types of skin. It is really smooth. I'm so in shock right now. Thank you so much, Garnier, for sending me these products. I'm so in love. I will use this little bag for my skincare, and this will be in it. So, oh my god, I am so in shock. Like, I'm not even joking right now. Just look, more mascara keeps coming off. But yeah, this is so amazing. Thank you so much, Garnier, for sending me this amazing PR products. I definitely recommend this for people that love makeup and that you use mascaras that don't work on you. I'm sorry, cut that out. micellar waters that don't work for your mascaras, this is the one for you. I definitely recommend it if you use waterproof mascaras. Thank you so much, Garnier.